Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about is Entertainment Earth legit from United States. Let's see whether this is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. Here you can shop exciting action figures, toys and collectibles. As you can see, there are so many products along with their reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. So let's go to the payment method. So payment, they say they accept credit cards. You need to update the payment method on existing orders. Need to contact Entertainment Earth client services by calling or by mailing them. Let's go to the shipping policy. They do free shipping on in-stock orders above $49. And for domestic shipping, they take 5 to 13 business days. And for international shipping, they take 9 to 14 business days. So let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. So this website is protected by HTTPS, that means the payment gateway is safe and secure. It is registered on 5th December 1995 and expires on 4th December 2023. That means it is a very old website and registered for a longer period of time. So let's go to the About Us page. So here in About Us page, you get information about the website, what is their history and how they started. So you get information about the website here. So let's go to the contact address. So here they have mentioned the physical address along with the phone number and email ID hello@entertainmentearth.com. So let's go to the social media presence. So it is available on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, etc. I can see there are so many visitors to this website as it is very active on social media. So let's go to the return and refund policy. So they have free 90-day return policy. If you return the products within 90 days, they do full refund. So let's go to the customer reviews. So guys, the customer reviews are updated in the website. Here you can see there are so many reviews. Most of the reviews are positive here. And if you Google it also, I can see there are so many reviews and this website is rated 3.8. So the products are quite good and the customers are happy with the products what they receive. So guys, the content detailing is fine. There is no spelling errors. The products are well specified. I don't see any duplicate images. So guys, based on the above discussion, I can say this website is a legit website because I can see there are so many positive points. But I advise you to check all the points before buying any products. Do your research effectively. So you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments on every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.